Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello guys, today I will color the tiger and inform you about tiger. What do you know about tigers? The tiger, known for its distinctive orange fur with black stripes. You know what? Their distinctive stripes provide camouflage for tigers while hunting. Tiger is the largest cat species and a fierce predator. They are solitary animals and primarily hunt at night with their sharp teeth and claws. The tiger is a carnivorous animal. The main prey of tigers are animals that are usually much smaller in size, such as mouse, deer, and deer. If he has gripped his prey, he will not let go of his bite. The bite force from the tiger's jaws could be used to break an adult's wrist. So they are wild animals that are quite dangerous when we meet them in the wild. Tigers are found in various habitats such as forests, grasslands, and mangrove swamps in Asia, particularly in countries like India, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Russia. Due to habitat loss and poaching, tigers are considered an endangered species, with only around 3,900 individuals left in the wild. Fun fact of tiger. First, tigers like to swim. Tigers love to play in water and they are also good swimmers. Tigers like to soak in water to cool down their body temperature when the weather is hot. Wow! Swimming also gives them an advantage when hunting, so they can chase their prey into the water and trap them in the water. Second, the stripes on a tiger are as different as human fingerprints. Third, the tiger's roar makes its prey freeze. Finally, tigers close their eyes when they feel comfortable and safe. Have you ever seen the white markings behind the tiger's ears? These markings function as false eyes that trick anyone who dares to attack it from behind. Give me a magic, please.
Oh, wow!